Welcome to the Akuvox MR01 installation guide. The MR01 is a millimeter wave radar sensor designed to detect falls and bed exit events in residential care environments. In this video, we will walk you through everything you need to install the device correctly, from unboxing to powering on. This video is for demonstration purposes only. The actual installation environment and setup may vary depending on site conditions. Let's get started. Inside the box, you will find the MR01 main unit, a wiring cover, rubber plugs A, B, and C, a 2-pin cable, a 20-degree side mounting bracket, a top mounting bracket, M2.5 by 4.5 and ST3 by 20 crosshead screws, plastic wall anchors, a 4-meter Type-C cable. Please verify all items are present before proceeding. Now let's take a closer look at the device. On the top of the device, you will find the speaker, buzzer, physical button, and the status light indicator. On the back, you will find the network port, the Type-C interface, the relay interface, and the reset button. Before we begin installation, let's go over the tools you will need and the key placement requirements. You will need a spirit level, a crosshead screwdriver, an electric drill, and a marker. These tools are not included in the box. Ensure there are no interference objects within a 70-centimeter radius of the installation area. This includes moving objects, metal surfaces, and light sources. For side mounting specifically, no objects taller than 1.5 meters should exist within the detection range. Do not attach any objects to the surface of the device. The power cable must remain vertical to the ground. Ensure the device is level and properly aligned during installation. For the recommended installation height, usage range diagram, and environmental requirements, please refer to the device's quick guide. The MR01 supports 2 installation methods. We will begin with side mounting using the 20-degree side mounting bracket. Take a look at the side mounting bracket. It has a bubble vial built in, which you can use as a quick reference to check the level during installation. Place the spirit level on the raised area above the side mounting bracket and adjust until the bubble sits at the center. The horizontal angle error must not exceed 0.5 degrees. Hold the bracket firmly against the wall at your chosen installation location. Use a marker to indicate the center of each of the 3 mounting holes as accurately as possible. Remove the bracket from the wall. Using a 5mm drill bit, drill 3 holes at the marked positions. Insert the 3 plastic wall anchors into the drilled holes. Place the side mounting bracket back against the wall and secure it using 3 ST3 by 20 crosshead screws. Ensure the bracket sits flush against the wall surface. After tightening, use the spirit level one more time to verify that the horizontal angle error is within 0.5 degrees. The side mounting bracket is now installed. Take out the main unit, wiring cover, rubber plugs A, B, and C, and the 5M2.5 by 4.5 crosshead screws from the box. Place rubber plug B, which is the gray one, into the designated slot on the back of the main unit as shown in the diagram. If your installation requires door lock control, you will also need to connect the 2-pin cable to the relay interface on the back of the device. Now choose your power supply method. You can either use an Ethernet cable with PoE or the included Type-C cable. If using the Type-C cable, prepare a 5V2A power adapter. Select one based on your installation environment. Only one is needed. This demonstration takes the PoE as an example. Arrange the cables according to the positions shown on screen. Then insert the matching rubber plug to clamp the cable bundle in place. Use rubber plug A, which has a left side opening, when using an Ethernet cable. Use rubber plug C, which has a right side opening when using a Type-C cable. Secure the wiring cover to the back of the device using the 5mm 2.5 by 4.5 crosshead screws. Rotate the main unit slightly counterclockwise, then place it firmly against the mounting bracket. Following the arrow marked on the bracket, rotate the unit clockwise to lock it into position. Make sure the cable is not pinched during this step. Check that the main unit and the mounting bracket are flush with the wall. Power on the device and verify that it operates normally. A rapidly flashing green light indicates the device is functioning properly, but is not yet connected to a network. When a network connection is established, the green light will remain solid. Side mounting is now complete. Long press the button on the device top to announce its IP, or use a Akuvox IP scanner tool to scan the device's IP on the SAML local network. Then, you can log into the device's web portal with the IP for configuration. Now let's cover the second installation method, top mounting. For top mounting, you will use the top mounting bracket. Note the arrow printed on the bracket. It must be positioned perpendicular to the wall during installation. Position the top mounting bracket at your chosen location on the ceiling. Make sure the arrow is perpendicular to the wall. Then hold the bracket firmly in place and use a marker to indicate the center of each of the 3 mounting holes. Remove the bracket. Using a 5mm drill bit, drill 3 holes at the marked positions. Insert the 3 plastic wall anchors into the drilled holes. Place the top mounting bracket back against the ceiling and secure it using 3 ST3 by 20 crosshead screws. Ensure the bracket sits flush and firmly against the ceiling. Take out the main unit, wiring cover, rubber plugs A, B, and C, and the 5mm 2.5 by 4.5 crosshead screws from the box. Place rubber plug B into the designated slot on the back of the main unit, as shown in the diagram. If your installation requires door lock control, you will also need to connect the 2-pin cable to the relay interface on the back of the device. Select your power supply method, either an Ethernet cable with PoE or the Type-C cable. If using the Type-C cable, prepare a 5V2A power adapter. Choose one based on your actual installation environment. This demonstration takes the PoE as an example. Arrange the cables. Insert rubber plug A if you are using an Ethernet cable, or rubber plug C if you are using a Type-C cable to clamp the cable bundle securely. Secure the wiring cover to the device using the 5mm 2.5 by 4.5 crosshead screws. Rotate the main unit slightly counterclockwise and place it firmly against the bracket. Follow the arrow on the bracket and rotate the unit clockwise to lock it into position. Ensure the cable is not pinched during this step. Check that the main unit and the bracket are flush with the ceiling. Confirm with the spirit level. Power on the device and verify it operates normally. A rapidly flashing green light indicates the device is functioning properly, but is not yet connected to a network. When a network connection is established, the green light will remain solid. Top mounting is now complete. Long press the button on the device top to announce its IP, or use a Akuvox IP scanner tool to scan the device IP on the same local network.
192.168.100.18.
Enter it in a browser. The initial username and password are admin. You will be guided to verify that the device is installed at the correct angle and set it up. If the angle is not within the required range, MR01 will sound an alarm and flash a red light, and the web will display detection results. If within the range, the web displays in range. If you skip the step, you can later use the tab in the upper right corner to test the installation angle. Thanks for watching.